Good morning, first class. So today is your English class and we are gonna do a poem in English. Alright, so this is your 7th chapter and the poem name is The Fish. So who all knows poem about fishes? Alright, one we know in Hindi, मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. Now this one poem is in English. Let's read this. The Fish. F-I-S-H, fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. So what is this little boy is doing? Little boy is fishing. Fishing करना क्या होता है? फिश को पकड़ना वाटर में से. Alright, पहले बेट लगाते हैं इसमें, फिर स्ट्रिंग से उसको पकड़ते हैं. तो फिशिंग कर रहा है. This little boy is gone to the river to do some fishing, to catch fish. So he is saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. एक बार उसने एक जिंदा फिश पकड़ी. Alive means जिंदा. He caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. और फिर उसने फिश को वापस जाने दिया. Let it go मतलब उसने उसको जाने दिया, वापस जाने दिया. अब वापस जाने क्यों दिया उसने? Why did you let it go? फिश को जाने क्यों दिया? Let it go मतलब किस चीज को जाने देना, छोड़ दो. Why did you let it go? छोड़ क्यों दिया? Because it bit my finger so. क्योंकि उसने उसकी फिंगर को कट कर लिया. The fish was alive and to save herself, fish ने उसकी फिंगर को कट कर लिया, बाइट कर लिया. Which finger did it bite? और कौन सी फिंगर को बाइट करा उसने? The little finger on the right. Right hand की little finger को उसने बाइट कर लिया. So let's read it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Now why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on the right. So this little boy, he caught a fish alive and then he had to let it go. Why he left that fish? Because that fish bit his right small finger. And that's why he had to leave the fish. So the fish was very smart. She saved herself. She saved herself from dying. So the fish was very smart. She saved herself by biting the finger of this little boy who came to catch the fish. Now let's start with the question answers. What did the poet catch? Poet ने क्या catch किया था? Alive fish. The fish bit on his right hand finger. Right hand की finger पे bite किया ना उसने, उसका right hand है. What did he do to the fish? उसने क्या किया fish को? He let it go again. उसने उसको वापस जाने दिया because he started crying. उसकी finger में दर्द होने लग गया तो उसको छोड़ना पड़ा उसको. Now, write yes or no. The poet went for fishing. Yes, yes. The poet went for fishing. The poet could not catch any fish. No, he caught the fish but he had to let it go. तो पहले उसने पकड़ लिया था fish को. The fish caught the poet's hat. No. उसने उसकी finger पे कट किया. The poet killed the fish. No, the poet couldn't kill the fish because she bit his finger and he had to let it go. Now look at the pictures and rearrange the letters to name them. Ab now you can see these pictures and you can guess what these pictures are about. So ये कौन है? It is a frog. तो यहाँ पे frog का jumble spelling दिया हुआ है, मतलब frog का spelling गलत दिया है, आपको इसको सही करना है. Frog का spelling होता है F-R-O-G, frog. Now this is a snail. Snail के spelling को correct करना है, S-N-A-I-L, snail. This is duck, D-U-C-K, duck. This is whale, W-H-A-L-E. Whale is the largest animal on the earth. Now here your teacher speak out few words, rhyming number for each. Now you need to do some rhyming words. Rhyming words कौन से होते हैं? Rhyming words are those words which have same sound at the end. Look at these words. N-O-N-E means none, मतलब कोई नहीं, none. And O-N-E, one. So they have same sound. None, one. They have same sound at the end. Last two alphabets are same. So these words are called rhyming words. Now come to this page 96. There are few words given. few, free, sure, hive, fix, heaven, wait. Now you have to write the rhyming words of your own. आपको अपने rhyming words बनाने हैं. I'll tell you few rhyming words. Few का rhyming word हो गया dew, D-E-W, dew. Free का rhyming word हो गया free का rhyming word हो गया tree, free tree. Sure का हो गया pure. Hive का rhyming word is 5. Fix का rhyming word is 6. Heaven's rhyming word is 7. Wait's rhyming word is bait. जो फिश के खाने के लिए लगाते ताकि फिश उसको पकड़ने के लिए खाने के लिए आए और उसे पकड़ ले. Bait. So I have told you few rhyming words. You have to write your own rhyming words. Alright, you have to write 2 rhyming words for each of these words. Now, tick the fish that matches the first one in the each case. Now, आपको ये first fish से match करती हुई fish को tick करना है. इससे ये तीनों में से कौन सा match करता है? Which one is matching? So, this second fish is matching with the first one. Now, with this one, this fish is matching. With this one, this fish is matching, and with this one, this fish is matching. So that's how you need to do this. Now do your exercises in your book.